welcome back to my channel. Today I am filming for you a refrigerator clean out and organization. I've been putting this off for a while now because I wanted to get some organizers and I haven't been to the store, but I got them and so I'm cleaning this baby out. Before we get too far into it, please subscribe if you have not already, give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and let me know in the comments down below what else you think I should organize in my house. Okay, so here is the before of the refrigerator all emptied out before I cleaned it, just so you guys can see all this nasty stuff that has been collecting in the bottoms from produce and things that get spilled all over. It's pretty bad. Once I started taking out the crisper drawers and taking out the shelving and things like that, I realized there's still plastic and like styrofoam stuff on it from when we first got it, so I went ahead and removed all of that before I started wiping it down. How often do you guys clean out your refrigerators? I feel like I used to clean out the refrigerator at least once a month back when we had old used refrigerators, and now that we have this nice new one, I just don't seem to clean it out as often. I still try to keep it clean, but as you can see from this video, it got pretty bad. Let me know in the comments down below how often you guys clean out your refrigerators.
Take
I always just take the crispers right out of the refrigerator and clean them with a soap and sponge because it just seems to be so much easier and make them look so much better than trying to spray them down and wipe them out and things like that. This just is so much easier, but it would be a whole lot easier if I had a larger sink. I'll just say that because I made a huge mess doing this. Okay, you guys, and here is the after. Once it is completely clean, all the shelving and drawers are back into it. It's always such a good feeling to just stop and look at your nice clean fridge after you've just got done cleaning it and before you've put the food back into it.
Always alone. You will always be there. Always alone. You will always be there. Always alone. You will always be there. Always alone. Always alone. You will always be there. Always alone. You will always be there. Always alone. You will always be there.
Okay, so now I'm just going to go ahead and put everything into these organizers that I got. I got these from Home Goods, and I mainly got them for John's Snacks because there's just no good way to organize them without them. So I got a couple for the pantry and some for the refrigerator. here is my completely cleaned out and organized refrigerator. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, let me know in the comments down below. I hope it gave you some inspiration to get yours cleaned out, and I will see you all in the very next video.